Plenty jubilation don't enter New Benin for Oredo local government as Governor Godwin Obaseki don't bring light up Edo come the area. Governor Godwin Obaseki and him team first carry waka go Ward 7 where the people receive Governor Obaseki and thank am wella for the light. Community leader for the area, Chief Wilfred Obaseki, when speak on behalf of the community, talk say wetin Governor Obaseki do for them, go support small businesses for the area.
We are very grateful for what he's trying to do for us because we saw what's happening in all other streets, far places, Ring Road, Ogbe, Ego is even moving fast. And we're in Ulogo, he has even done it for the whole community too. So our people are very happy. Clap for that. Yeah, 24 hours like we have in Ulogo. So we are very happy about that. Here in New Benin, we don't have about 3 hours of light. So we are very happy you are bringing this to us. And from here, we know that we also have light like Ologo for the community. Because New Benin is a very big community business-wise and in terms of traders and in terms of small businesses. So we thank you for that.
Permanent Secretary, Ministry of Electricity, Engineer Victor Obano, come break down the project for the people.
We're about to witness the commissioning of 2 projects. The first project actually traverses Mission Road through New Lagos Road. It's IPP project. The IPP project is independent power project. It's uninterrupted power, except in case of maintenance. It spans all the way from Sakomba Road via Igbo through New Lagos Road and Route Victory, through Costain, through the Board of Internal Revenue side, back to Yoruba Street via Owosheni and came out at Yaro. This line has passed through here and is, of course, very active. And again, we are witnessing the commissioning of the street light project. The street light project spans from Ring Road to Ewa Road Junction. The phase 2 starts from New Lagos Road Junction to Ewa Road Junction. The total length of the street light all the way from Ring Road is 3.5 kilometers. 3.5 kilometers. And the next is also transversing New Benin. On the other side is the New Lagos Road light that has been constructed right from Akpakpava to Useluche area. And that one is 3.15 kilometers. This area is witnessing a large commissioning, and by the grace of God, we will be having the independent power project all around these houses. And again, before I hand over to my chief, please, we have been distributing these handbills. We have distributed it. See something, say something. In case of maintenance, call these numbers. For accidental posts, call these numbers. For vandalized cables, call this number. General theft, call this number. Illegal connection to EDLG electricity, call this number. Accidental traffic light, call this number. This project is a project. Defend it, own it, and let it last for you.
Chief of Staff to Edo State Governor Osaigbovo Iyoha, Konya and the people make them open their eye wella to monitor the projects for the area.
Always see something, say something. We cannot be everywhere. These street lights belong to this community. The ones around New Benin belong to New Benin. The ones around Ewa Road belong to those on Mission Road along Ewa Road. Like the Permanent Secretary said, it is not one project, it is 2 projects. Independent power supply. We saw street lights before in the last administration on Airport Road. They were using diesel. You know how much it costs. But this is independent power. It is 24 hours power. So please, Wagba Pipo, these street lights are your property. Whenever you hear anything, there are telephone numbers here. Call us. We are just one phone call away. We will send people to come and hold them. Because if they spoil it, it is your place. It is your people that will suffer. So we want to beg you. There are also issues of vandalization. People remove cables. We have vigilantes. We have people in this neighborhood that are working, that are benefited from this government. We will make sure they join hands with two community leaders to take care of this property.
The community leader can officially put on the lights. Still on top of this Light Up Edo project, Governor Obaseki currently carry waka go Ward 11 for Oredo to commission this project. Engineer Victor Obano constantly informed the people about this project.
Commissioning of two projects. The first project is IPP. IPP is Independent Power Project. It's a project, a star project of Edo State government. And of course, the IPP starts from Saple Road, crossing Sokomba Road, and ends before Uwa Junction. And that is IPP you can see there. It's uninterrupted power supply. Another brief extension starts from Igun to SCA Junction, the same IPP. And the other project we're going to commission here today is also the street light project, which takes off from Saple Road, across Sokomba, going through to Akpakpava, to second is circular. This project is powered by the Independent Power Project. It's uninterrupted, which means the only time there will not be light here is when there's maintenance in the power plant. Every other time, there will be light. This project, IPP, is first of its kind in Benin State, is first of its kind in almost all the Niger Delta, and as far as we are concerned, it has brought high socio-economic development.
Chief of Staff Osayegbu Voyoha constitute mouth.
Now I go on this light because now your light, so that as now on I go no say now I go protect that too. PDP. So this street light, as we are speaking today, with capacity to increase, is already spanning a distance of 3.2 kilometers.
Governor Godwin Obaseki for him talk with Tori people, saying plan to light up plenty streets for Edo before him come up for office.
My goal is to make sure I put street lights in as many streets as possible in Edo State before I leave. Today we have done about 61 kilometers. I want to make sure I complete over 200 kilometers before I leave office, which will mean covering most of metropolitan Benin City. We're also going to Edo Central and Edo North. Where we can't find IPP, we'll use solar. But the plan is to make sure we put lights, illuminate our cities, try and extend the economic life of our cities. So rather than people going to bed at 8, 9 o'clock, or businesses shutting as soon as it gets dark, we want to see how people can be out there, continue with their businesses for another 3 or so hours after it gets dark. And you know what that means for the economy and for people who are in business.
Obaseki constantly talks say this light up go help security matter for the state and still help manufacturers.
We also want to ensure that we secure our cities. You see, you know what we're doing with security, and electricity is very key in helping us ensure that we illuminate cities and reduce the incidence of crime. So for security, we are going to just continue to make sure that we put more light at night so that we don't create dark spots or too many dark areas for people to operate. And then for manufacturers, they'll have stable lights from the IPP. And for those who have small cottage industries, they can spend time, producing at night. For those who have businesses that require cooling, storage, they have lights, electricity to preserve their goods and their agricultural produce. So we believe that having started with this project of electrification, extending electricity to homes, to streets, we just must continue. It's long term, it's very expensive, but for our people, we will not spare any cost to make sure that we develop Edo State.
Community leaders come here and say the community go put on top this project and monitor them to make sure say no kurukere waka dey around this project.
Happy because everywhere, if you look at it now, it's giving another shape. Everywhere is bright, and we are grateful to His Excellency. We are going to protect it, and we are going to announce to our people to protect it. Because, like we always say, governments have done this. Before another government will come and do it, it will take another 50 to 20 years. Therefore, the one you are having, and you hold it and maintain it.
Omo Aluke Ajakaye, TMC TV News. Make una remember say your PVC na be your power. No say I'm giving any politician on the election day.